Okay. Be careful, ha? Ayan guys, nakahanap kami ng playground dito. Excuse me. Diyan muna si Gabi para maka-exercise. You try to swing there.
Okay.
Swing? I mean the, how to call it? Uy, ang limot naman ko si tawag ani guys. Kani ba? Careful, ha? Ay lain tao kaya may sulod mi diri kay may ibang tao. Naglibog siya sa siyang lingkod. Just do it. Ay, just do like that, your leg, oh. Nandito lang kami. Sa likod ng simbahan. Maliit na park lang siya. Sira-sira na yung mga upuan dito. Iba. May wala ng ano. Iwanan ko muna siya doon, guys. Hahabol din yan sa akin. Ito lang, sa kiki lang. Tapos dito ako, opo muna ako dito kasi malinis siya. Kakaputo lang ng mga grass. Ayan, so upo ako dito. Dito ako sa waiting shed. Diba? Dito ang person habang nagduyan-duyan pa si Gabin doon. Ayan. Nagduyan-duyan ang bata doon. At least, di ba, kahit mga isang oras lang, mag-iba naman yung environment. Di yung puro tablet lang, puro cellphone lang, sa bahay loob lang. Ayan, lumabas kami. Kaso lang dito, walang mga binta-bintang mga snack-snack. Mamaya, dadaan lang kami ng pick and pay ng grocery store. Maghanap ng makaon ba. Wala pa kami mga ligo. Mamaya na kami magligo. Yes. Pawala sa stress. Pawala sa stress ta kay. Sige lang ta ka-stress sa tulog sa balay guys. So kapoy pa biya. Sige ta ka-stress guys. Dami diri sa likod. O yan na. Naminto na si Gabin guys. Hindi na siya nagaan. Yeah, be careful. Careful. Ay. It's broken already that. Already broken. Ako nito gusto ko magsumba. Enough already? I'm there? Okay. Doon daw siya sa OMG. Make sure you know how to go down, ha? Hindi siya sanay sa mga ganito Ayan. Life in Sabah, life in Kuta Kinabalu. Ganito lang kami kasimple dito guys. Daming bahay-bahay dyan. Yan, simbahan yan siya. Nasa likod kami ng simbahan. Ng Christian church yan. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ang, para sa harap yung, nasa likod kasi kami. Tapos doon, ayan, naglalakad kami. Mga housing na yan dyan doon. Halos mga housing na yan dito nakapaligid. Halos Pero nasa city proper kami. Nasa city. Kumbaga sa luyang area lang po ito. Come na? May mosquitoes? Takot ako baka makagat silang lamok ba? Grabe pa namang lamok pa ganito. Ay, ako guys. So, dito lang ako nag-upo-upo. Nag-stretching. So, may mga daan dyan. Papasok dito. Mayroon din doon. Ayan. Napakalapit lang nito. Daming basura. Diyan lang nila natapon. Puti na lang itong park dito. Itong park na to ay kakaputo lang ng mga damo. Kaya medyo malinis siya. Hindi siya magulo. So maganda pag ganun. Kahit maliit lang, okay na siya. At mga bahay-bahay na yan dyan, doon. Pwede kami maglakad-lakad kung saan-saan park. Dyan. Papuntang Keke City na yan dyan. Dito kami malapit. So titingnan namin yung lugar ba kung saan yung na-aksidente na
this is a dead end.
Yung sinishare ko sa Facebook.
Is a end.
Dito yung parang malapit dito yun guys.
The stairs.
Yeah, this is the place where have the accident. The one man died. Yes, there's a one man died in here. In this place.
Oh my god, oh my god. Be careful of those microphones.
Wait, that place.
What?
I think over there, not this place. I mean, not this way, go there. This is going to Keke area. This way.
Okay, let's keep walking.
I don't want to go there. I'm scared.
Let's keep walking.
I'm scared. We go back.
Don't worry, you can do this.
Oh, this is rambutan.
Rambutan?
No, it's a flower only. It's just a flower.
No, you can do this, you can do this.
This is the Persatuan
Just stay calm.
Warga Amas.
Stay calm. You got this. You have got this.
Huh?
You okay? You got this. You got this. I'm not worried. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Dagway ni Mugab. Bro kasi ituan. So ayan guys. Sige na, you go to walk only.
You got this.
I cannot go there because that is already going to city.
I know.
Want to go to city?
Yeah.
Nge. Many cars see us. Many people know us. Many people watching us. It's a big house. There's a big house. You know, if we live in the big house, we are only a family of 4. I don't like if our house is too much big and then only 4 of us living in it. It's so scary.
Why?
Yeah, because the house is so big and then there's so many vacant places.
I said why so scary?
It's scary because the house is too much big and then we're living only 4 of us only. So we should living like 10 people if big house. 10 or 6 people like that.
Mom. Mom.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Again.
Na mahuli ito ka maligo
You're
na.
wasting your time.
Ha? Maligo
Anyways, let's just. Mom, you hold it.
Sige na ma'am. Ma'am, the dog is coming. Ma'am. Sige lang kang ma'am. Hi dog. Careful, have car. Where we go again? We go back na? Huh? We go back na? Sige na, very far na there. Go to the other side na. The dog also scared to you. He ran away already.
He's still there.
He's scared because you bring the umbrella.
Now he's coming.
He thought you will beat him. Oh, there's so many mangoes this house. Like it's empty, like nobody's there. But stealing is not good. Just go ahead. Oh, this is bayaba. This is guabas. Bayabas naman. Oh, this is guabas, guys. Guabas pala ito. Tapos yung mga mangga, oh.
Mango.
Mangga.
I want mango.
Yeah. Yes, that's right. That's not ours. We don't have mango.
But I want
This is
it.
the dog very big na. He will eat that. The dog inside. You see that so many houses of the dog inside. They have take care so many dogs.
At least nothing for Kathy.
Come across this way.
Unlike yesterday. At least they.
Pawis na siya. Maganda yung magpapawis talaga. Kahit ganito, every afternoon lang pag maganda ang panahon, magpawis-pawis. Walking around para. You want to pass this way?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I think no, but no, that is a dead end road.
Are you sure?
You see this mango is very down. You can take one.
Yeah, I want to pick it.
Hey, one only. The canal there, pull down the canal, oh. Bibilik mo dito. Ngawat sa guys, ha? Sorry.
Try to jump on.
Huwag tularan.
Let me get another. Let me get.
No, one is enough. Hold in the end. Just one enough. Okay. Come.
We got some more mango.
Still have there.
Okay.
Don't throw, ha? Kaya you can eat na naman. Careful.
I can't do it because you have more. Because don't have long enough legs. You have enough long legs. Now we have three.
Ayan guys, nakakuha kami ng 3 mangga. Balatan namin mamaya.
Luckily, everyone in the place is really inside.
Yeah, but how can we hold this all? We cannot hold this. You hold it.
Mom, we're holding
And
it
we
right.
need to pick the coconut later, huh?
Mom, we're really holding it
Be
right.
careful of your hand. Do not stick with the don't stick it.
Anyways,
It can
you
make
hold.
your hand itchy.
You're the one that hold the coconut.
I will hold.
You're the one that hold the coconut. I'm the one that hold the mango.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and the coconut. Yes. The coconut.
Munguha gid tag coconut nut, Ginoo ko na. Maulaw man tanak eh. But the one is already on the roadside, right? Kuha ta og duha. Tapos balatan natin. Kay kakainin natin ang buwa. Ay nak, no need to go to the store, ha? Directly go home, okay? Ha?
Mango, it's free. We got free.
Yeah, directly go home, ha? Okay? Ha? You want to go to the store? Oh, we cannot take now because somebody's in there. Hello guys, maayong udto. Maghatod sa akong anak sa isa sa trabahoan. Pagkahuman maghatod, magsundo naman sa bunso sa school. So, ganun ang routine ko. Araw-araw, kapag wala akong work. So, kasama ko ang aking mister. Siyempre, magdidit kami dalawa. Sabay kami, no? Sabay namin ginawa yung mga bata. Sabay din namin sunduin, hatid, ganon. O, diba? Tagal ang anak ko, guys. Ang tagal ang anak ko. Ang tagal ng aking baby girl, guys. Kami na baby girl. Ha? Pero, tarik. Hatid muna tayo ng yunanak sa workplace na. Sa workplace niya, guys. Ang aking dalaga, ihatid muna natin. Isukay na hong, guys. Kaya dili lang pa-video. Dili lang pa-video akong yunanak. Ang init. Para di ta maburyong diri sa balay, magsama-sama, kuyog baboy tayo sa asawa nating masungit. Kuyog baboy sa asawang masungit. Ganon talaga eh. So, close tayo ng gate. Babas muna sila. How you work now? It's okay? Are you enjoying that? How long already you work there?
2 weeks now.
2 weeks.
还没有出粮，
Possibly this week too.
You not yet have uniform?
Not yet. The auntie, the boss punya mom said about she keep forgetting wanting to go to the shop to
Print.
yeah.
Make the...
It was very hot the weather.
It's okay ma, as long you're wearing black every time you go to work, right?
Yeah.
The uniform is also a black color, right?
Yeah.
Luckily, it's only black. Some white. So guys, may on the way na. Guys, may on the way na. Hatid ng aming anak sa work niya. Nice season. Hindi masyadong mainit. Masyadong mainit guys. Punta Kinabalu, Luyang.
I give him the one already picked first. So
Yeah, that's why I don't like the taste ba. Okay lah, boleh tahan lah. Tapi the harga dia kan terlampau mahal ba.
because the ingredient they use, the ingredient they use is expensive. That's why the menu expensive.
Yan. But not many menu ka?
Huh?
Not many menu?
Yeah.
Little bit only.
Good lah, because if we don't spend only after only sampai malam jam 3.
So many people pula pergi sini. Ameya. Ini Ameya nak apa?
Hotel.
Ah, it's a hotel.
very nothing.
So the people go there eat. Some staying this place. Work na ang among baby nga damula guys. So karon magsundo na naman sa baby nga giant. Yan guys, dito kami. Dumaan man kami dito guys. Puro mag-ano kami mag... Anong gagawin natin dito di? Ewan ko nito Mr. Pong. What? Ayan lang. So daan pa pala kami dito kasi maaga pa pala. Tsaka na namin sunduin ang aming bunso. Ang aming baby boy. So dito muna kami. Mag-dating muna kami guys. Mag-dating muna kami ni Mr. Tong. Ito yung lugar na maraming kumakain dito. Mayroon sila ditong fried banana. Shumai. Berapa satu dek? Berapa begini satu? Hah? 3,5. Dito na lang. Kalau ini saja di boleh kah? Ah, berapa biji di dalam? Hah? 5 biji. Berapa? 10 juga 5 biji. 2 ringgit per each. Oh. Tapi kalau ada noodle sama juga. 4 ringgit. So, 4 biji. Kalau ada noodles 4 biji. Seberapa harganya? Sama juga 10 ringgit. Pag ito pala. Palaw. Sa'yo mo baginin na daw? Sapi? Ini? Ha? Akon lang. Okay? Di sana, oh. Sana. Pagsari-sari sana ka sige, ah. Okay. Order na ako, guys, yung yan.
Batal jual murah.
So, ihatid lang nila yung doon sa misa namin.